Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and as you saw there at the first little clip, boy, what a dilemma. To go mow or to go play at the CNC machine. Man, it was a hard decision, but obviously you know which way this went. It wouldn't have mattered. It's raining outside anyway today, so it started raining while I was since I've been out here in the shop. So today what I'm going to do is for another YouTube channel. Lady contacted me, advised me that she didn't have a logo and she was really needing one. Her YouTube channel is HeavenBound Homestead. To give you a little bit of history behind her, her and her husband have been in the ministry for 40 plus years, and about a year and a half, 2 years ago, she lost her husband. And so she also advised me that, you know, unless there's some big revelation and Jesus steps in, that she may be headed there before too terribly long herself, because she's fighting a chronic illness. So she hit me up to make her a logo, and I told her I'd give it a shot, but I was probably going to recruit my daughter into doing it, because she does social or mass media in college, which is photography, logo design, social media stuff, and a lot of it's marketing stuff for big companies. I mean, it's stuff like that. And so I did a logo, I sent it to her. My daughter did a logo, she sent it back. Well, hers was far better than mine, and so we went with hers. She actually hand drew this thing, which, wow. So anyway, that's the one we're going to cut today, so let's go. Well guys, that was it. Looks pretty cool. I'm just amazed at the detail with this thing because this was off of something hand drawn. Like I said, my daughter hand drew this thing one night and sent it back. This was her only attempt at it and just sent it to me, and I was like, yeah, she gets it. So we cut this thing, and again I did it out of birch. I mean, it does make a nice color and it stains really light. I really like the light stain and how it makes the colors just really pop. Somewhere along the way I did find out that there must have been a power struggle in my house and I missed it, because I was actually going to do this black, blue, and do the background white or yellow, and I got shot down and got told the rays need to be black so they stand out better, and they're right. Because if I do white or yellows, that airbrush really puts the paint on the real light, so often when I do white you'll see me hand doing it. It's just because I'm trying to make it thicker, because stain will really, it'll mess up the real light paint, and if I do it thicker it doesn't seem to affect it. So I wasn't going to hand paint every one of these little rays that comes out of that. That would have taken me hours, and hopefully I'm not being drowned out here because it has started raining hard now. So obviously I still got to polyurethane this thing, but the stain is still pretty, it's still moist, so it may be tomorrow before I can actually poly this thing, because the way the rain's coming down. I checked a while ago, it is 90% humidity out here, so no poly today. So guys, that was it for this one. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.